Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kagura Jade Blossom skin. Many exclusive skins in Mobile Legends, Bang Bang, are obtainable through special in-game events. These events typically run for a limited time, offering unique opportunities to acquire rare items. You will often need to complete various daily and weekly tasks to participate and earn rewards. To participate in these events, you'll typically need to complete specific in-game activities. This often involves playing a certain number of matches across different game modes, like Classic, Ranked, Brawl, or Magic Chess. For example, completing 20 matches could reward you with 25 tokens. By consistently completing these tasks, you will accumulate enough event currency to redeem the desired skin. After diligently collecting the required amount of event tokens, you can then proceed to the event shop to redeem your Kagura Jade Blossom skin. For example, this particular epic skin historically required 180 celebration postcards. These event-exclusive skins are often of epic rarity, making them valuable additions to any player's collection and a testament to their dedication during the event period. To maximize your chances of acquiring similar exclusive skins in the future, always check the in-game events tab regularly. Prioritize completing all daily and weekly event tasks to earn the maximum number of tokens. Staying informed through official game announcements and community channels will ensure you never miss out on these limited-time opportunities. Happy gaming, and good luck collecting those amazing skins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.